In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Bloomberg Indices on TradingView. For a long time, these institutional-grade data feeds were locked behind the expensive Bloomberg terminal, making them difficult for most traders to reach. However, as of late 2025, Bloomberg Indices are finally available directly on TradingView. This is a massive update for retail traders because it allows you to track global benchmarks and commodity markets with the same precision as professional fund managers, all within your existing workspace. To get started, navigate to the TradingView website or launch the desktop application on your computer. Once the platform has loaded, open any chart to access the main trading interface. This is the standard view where you perform your technical analysis. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the symbol search box. This is the area where you typically type in ticker symbols for stocks or crypto. In the search bar, type the word Bloomberg or the abbreviation BBG to bring up the official data feeds. To understand this better, notice the tabs at the top of the search window. You will want to select the Indices tab to filter the results specifically for Bloomberg Indices. The reason for this is to clear out any unrelated symbols and focus purely on benchmark data. For example, you can search for BCOM to find the Bloomberg Commodity Index or BCOM GC for the Bloomberg Gold Index. Finally, browse the list of available indices that appear in the results. Once you find the one you're looking for, simply click on your preferred selection to load the data onto your chart. Essentially, this replaces your current view with the official Bloomberg data feed.
Accessing professional-grade indices is now a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your market analysis. By following these steps, you can integrate world-class data into your daily trading routine. I would love to hear how you are utilizing this new feature. Leave a comment below and tell me which specific Bloomberg index you find most helpful for your trading strategy.